In this video, we'll see how to send documents in bulk. Select Send for Signature from the navigation bar. At the top, click on the Send in Bulk option. Pick a single role template you'd like to send. Select Add to confirm the template you have chosen. Download the sample CSV file to prepare the signer list, then add the signer details to it. Include the names and email addresses of the signatories in the downloaded CSV file. Once the updates are complete, upload the prepared CSV back into Signeasy. Upon seeing the signer details preview, click Done to conclude the upload. Click Next and then send it for signature. Bulk transactions will be identified by the bulk tag placed at the start. To view the status of all transactions by signer, select Track from the list. Click on Completed to view the completed documents. Choose Waiting to see the items that are currently pending. This concludes our tutorial on using bulk send with Signeasy and gather unique signatures from multiple signers at once.